In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete variation B in an A/B test email in HubSpot. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to your search engine. Type HubSpot and click the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace or portal where your marketing emails live, and that you have permission to edit and delete marketing emails. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step and proceed to your dashboard. After you're in, move your cursor to the sidebar and find the Marketing section. This is where all of your promotional and automated communications are organized. Within Marketing, click Email. That opens the email dashboard, showing your drafts, scheduled sends, and any A/B test emails you've created. Now, locate the A/B test that contains the two versions. You'll typically see indicators that an email has variants, and each version is labeled clearly. We're focused on removing variation B, so take a moment to confirm you're looking at the version marked B. This quick double check helps you avoid deleting the wrong variant, especially if both versions look similar. Hover your mouse over the row or tile for variation B. When you hover, additional options will appear. Look for the Actions menu that slides in or shows up as a button on the right side. Click Actions to reveal the available choices for that specific version. From the drop-down, click Delete. HubSpot asks for confirmation to prevent accidental removals, which is helpful if multiple team members are working in the same account. Read the prompt so you're clear on what's about to happen. Deleting variation B removes it from this A/B test, leaving variation A as the remaining version for that email. To finish, click Delete again to confirm. The system will process the change and remove the B variant. Once it's gone, your email record will reflect that only one version remains, and any future edits or sends will apply to that single version. If you are running a scheduled A/B test, keep in mind that the send will proceed with the surviving version only. If you don't see the Actions button or the Delete option, you may not have the right permissions, or the email might be in a state that prevents changes, such as actively sending. In that case, check with your admin or wait until the send completes before trying again. And that's it. You've successfully deleted variation B from your A/B test email in HubSpot.